Hey there! Feeling stuck because your Bumble account just got banned? Or maybe you're frustrated with endless verification failed messages every time you try to start fresh. I get it. It's not just annoying, it can feel like you're locked out of the entire dating world. Here's the deal. Bumble bans happen for all sorts of reasons. Sometimes it's a misunderstanding, sometimes it's a little too much swiping, and sometimes it's just a slip on their community guidelines. If you feel you were banned unfairly, you can absolutely appeal. Just fill out the appeal form Bumble links in your ban notification. Keep it polite, clear, and attach any evidence you have like screenshots or error messages. But let's be real, most appeals don't get you back in. That's why it's smart to have a backup plan. So what's next? Making a new Bumble account sounds simple, but it's not just about a new email. Bumble's smarter than that. They'll flag you for using the same phone number, IP address, or even old profile photos. And if you try to use a cheap, free temp SMS site, instant rejection. Bumble blocks VoIP and recycled numbers hard. That's where MobileSMS.io comes in. If you want to create a fresh Bumble account or any dating app, honestly, you need a real long-term burner number. MobileSMS.io gives you actual SIM card numbers from over 100 countries, not those fake recycled ones that always fail. Here's how it works. First, sign up at MobileSMS.io and top up your account. Choose Bumble under Services, pick your country, and grab a number. Enter that number into Bumble when you sign up. The SMS code arrives instantly in your MobileSMS.io dashboard or even in Slack if you're fancy. You finish sign up, set up your new profile, and you're ready to swipe. You can rent these numbers for 30 days or even keep one long-term if you want all your dating apps in one place. Need Tinder, Hinge, or WhatsApp too? No problem. The All Services rental covers it. And if you ever have issues, they'll give you your money back for failed verifications. Now for a few pro tips. Don't reuse old photos or bios from your banned account. Change up your device or at least clear your app cache. And always match your IP address with your new phone number's country to avoid red flags. Bottom line, if you want to get back on Bumble or any dating app without the endless headaches, MobileSMS.io's real SIM numbers make it easy, reliable, and fast. Just stay cool, follow the rules, and you'll be back meeting new people in no time. Happy swiping!